Who else is excited about MSTY today? Look at that green candle. That's a beauty. Stick around. We're going to talk about MSTY and what it did today. Hello, my friends. This is Legend. MSTY had a nice run today. If you happen to check out the market today, S&P went up and a few others did as well. We had a nice rally today. I mean, it was a big rally. Looks like MSTY had a distribution rate of 94.8. So it is increased a little bit from yesterday. And let's go ahead and slide over to the Webull chart and see what it did today. So here we are on the MSTY chart on Webull. And as you can see here, we still are showing our support line right here at this 1855. That seems to be holding pretty good for MSTY. Yesterday, we were sitting at a close of $18.89. Today, we are at a close of $20.86. Woo! Nice move on MSTY. Went up $1 and about 97 cents just for today, and that's that's over a 10% move. Very nice move today. Looks like we had quite a few little rallies today. Just to take a look at the S&P here, that was that support line that I had drawn out there. But look at this nice big green candle right there. I mean, that is a nice rally today. And just to give you an idea, if I go to the 5-minute chart, so here we're looking at that 5-minute chart on the SPY, and as you can see, it really kind of basically opened up at around, say, 556.15, and it rallied right up to almost 560-ish right here, and then it had a huge, like a little flash crash right here. And it fell all the way down to, looks like about 555.50. I mean, it fell hard. And then it popped back up, but then came down. And then all of a sudden, it just took off. So from this range here of about 556, this thing went all the way up to as high as 563.83. That was a 2% move on the SPY, so it went up $11.39. With that rally, it meant that a lot of other stocks were rallying as well. And as you can see, here's Mr. Coming in or starting the day off around that, say, 273-ish, and went as high as 298.70 before closing at 297.49. So a very nice upward move for Mr. as well. We had Bitcoin with a nice green candle today. And here we have SMCY with a nice little green candle today. And also on NVDY, it's been trending up since it was down around that $15.56. It's now sitting at $17.50. It has a nice little rally as well. So with the market being down so much lately, these nice little rallies sure do make you feel a little bit better. Now hopefully they continue on, but again, you have to kind of understand what it is and why you're into a certain stock. What is your plan? And for me on MSTY, mine is to just hold, earn those distributions, and eventually own it free and clear. I know some people bought yesterday at the X date and probably got it somewhere between $18.25 and maybe $19 or so. Looks like it ended up closing yesterday at $18.89. So if you got it in yesterday and you bought some shares yesterday, you should be up nicely today on those shares because MSTY did rally up today and ended up closing at that $20.86. So let's just take a look at the Bollinger Band. So to do that, I'm going to switch over from my actual and I'm going to switch over to the adjusted chart. It shows a little bit better graph when you're using indicators. So to do that, I'm just going to go to the little 3 lines up here at the top right-hand corner, and then I'll go to Axis and change it from actual to adjusted. Now that changes the chart a little bit, and what it does is it does not take out that distribution price. Where actual, that distribution comes out of the stock price itself. When you change it to adjusted, it does not affect the chart when you get paid a distribution. So let's go ahead now and we will turn on our Bollinger Band right here. Just kind of want to check to see what it looked like. And as you can see, it widened out a good bit because of that huge fall. But it was down at the bottom of that Bollinger Band. And also, looks like on the 10th of this month, it dropped below that 10. It was at 7.48. The price being a close of $17.14. And then, of course, then it did start moving back up. So if you got in while it was under that support line right there, looks like you did pretty good. I wish I had some dry powder to have been able to DCA in onto that one, but was just running kind of low personally on my cash as this market has been dropping, and I've been acting like a kid in a candy store buying up all these stocks because they're just so low. And I was buying up VOO. I was buying up some Microsoft, NVIDIA, Meta, Amazon, and so forth, because those are definitely long-term in my books. And I'm in MSTY for long-term, but at the time, I was just buying up those big boys, trying to get some shares into that, as those are more of a hold for me for the most part. But yeah, if you got MSTY in when it was under that 1855, looks like you did well. So congrats on all you guys out there. I saw some posts where people had bought in yesterday and they had bought on that X date. So again, if you got in and you got it around 19 bucks, looks like you're doing well. You just got a nice little pop up on the price. So congrats on that. And to also get distributions on top of that, it's a nice Friday for sure. So this weekend I will go in and I will update my MSTY spreadsheet, and I'll do a video on that showing my distributions and where that puts me at my average price. And also on that put that I had sold, it came so close today of being able to roll it. I'm trying to roll a $24 put that expires this coming Friday, so a week from today. I was trying to roll that down to $23 out 1 month, so about mid-April, and was trying to get about $1 for it, right? Times 100 shares would be $100. So I was basically trying to get almost that distribution for it. That premium I saw got as high as $95. So it got so close to my dollar that I kind of wish I would have dropped it down $5 and maybe it would have went in and I would have captured that $95 worth of premium, and that would have put $100 back into my account for it moving from 24 down to 23. So anyway, today was a good day. It was nice to finally get one of those. So if you would please like and share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe. It does help the channel out and it is much appreciated. And throw in some comments. We've had a good group of people commenting, and we are helping each other out and building each other up. So as always, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence before you get into any stock plays. And until next time, legend out.